Good evening. Tonight in the family court, the only place where time stops, logic dies, and paperwork goes to be reincarnated as missing paperwork, a magistrate has been issued formal advice for behaviour, the JCIO described as inappropriate, and parents described as finally someone behaving how we feel. Dr. Amy Delicate, whose surname now taunts the nation, was reported to have sighed, banged her desk, and deployed language usually reserved for motorists during motorway closures. Witnesses stated she displayed a negative attitude towards one party, a shocking accusation as bias in the family court is typically expressed only through facial expressions, body language, and entire career trajectories. Dr. Delicate denied misconduct, claiming any swearing was unintentional. A statement familiar to anyone who's ever dropped their phone, received the last-minute bundle, or interacted with a hostile ex-partner through a parenting app. She blamed the chaos on incomplete bundles and late legal advice, which is the judicial equivalent of saying, "I'm sorry, I shouted, but the house was on fire and so was I." The investigation concluded that her behaviour was deliberate and including prolonged eye contact, interpreted as frustration and partiality. This marks the first time that maintaining eye contact in family court has been considered misconduct, rather than simply a warning sign that the judge is trying to remember where they'd left their case file. Despite everything, the hearing proceeded without disruption, because nothing disrupts a family court hearing, not sighing, not swearing, and not missing paperwork, and not even the child's welfare. The only known disruptors are lunch, COVID, and a father asking, "Can I have 50-50 or lives with order?" The Lady Chief Justice, with Lord Chancellor's agreement, issued Dr. Delicate a formal advisory warning, the judicial equivalent of saying naughty, naughty, but in Times New Roman. Dr. Delicate expressed regret and promised reflection, a process expected to last approximately the time it takes to walk from the bench to the coffee machine. We will bring you updates if the situation escalates to the issuance of a mildly firm letter, or, heaven forbid, mandatory training on not swearing at parents. Until then, it's been News at 10, where justice is blind, but apparently not deaf to sighing. Good night.